How to see message requests on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can see message requests on Instagram. So to do that, first of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now once you're logged in, your home interface will look somewhat like this, where all you have to do is either tap on the message icon on the top right, or you can simply swipe to the left. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to the messages page where you can see the option requests right over here. So simply tap on it, and now there you will be able to see all of the different message requests you've received on Instagram. So you will also be able to see hidden requests right over here, and you will see the normal message requests over here. So simply tap on it, and then you will be able to see the profile of the person who is sending you a message request and the message they have sent you. Now once you've done that, it will basically provide you three different options. You can either block this person, you can either delete this, or you can accept this. And until and unless you don't accept this message, it will not show up as seen in the other person. So if you want, you can simply leave it as it is, but if you want, you can do any one of these three options. For now, I'll simply leave it as it is. So hope this video helped you guys out. That is basically how you see message requests on Instagram. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.